Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, Back Hunting at the Vending Machine. I will visit this machine less and less. Anyway, the desert drifter, the lowrider, Hot Wheels, drag strip, Velocita, water bomber, all fantasy casting. And here we have two Volvo P1800 gasser and a Tun Silverado. Here we have a lone Volvo wagon, which I will buy. It's a Volvo. The Medic, the Camaro convertible, a Batmobile, more fantasy casting, the Hummer EV. These are the same casting, more same casting of the Camaro. Mini GT is very nice, Lancia Stratos. Second one is the Bugatti Chiron and a pink Nissan GTR. Inno 64, Datsun Valley DZ, Nissan Silvia or Honda City, and color shifter. So in goes my money for number 21. And thank God it's a Volvo, so it will survive the fall. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.